Well, I guess you could say it didn't take long for these 18 years to go by. We are just less than a month away from graduating and starting out our lives. It seems like just yesterday I was a little boy, just playing around with my toys, not ever thinking about life after high school. I was raised around the country, so anything you can think of, I've done. My favorite hobbies are hunting and fishing. My grandpa has always taken me since I was a little boy. As I got older, I realized what I wanted to do after high school. There's a unique story behind why I wanted to become a day warden, but that's for another time. Just before high school, I looked into what all it took to become a game warden. When I mentioned it to my mom, she thought it was a great idea. My mom has always told me that whenever I get a job, don't go in it for the money, but do what makes me happy. I don't only apply what she said to jobs, but to everything. My mom has been there for me since the day I was born and will be until the end. Whenever I started out high school, I was nervous, but I knew I could get through it just as I've done before in middle school. I made friends, I played sports, and I had a good time. But like they say, all good things must come to an end. Football was fun, and it was my happy place. It was something that I was good at, and I played for a while. Sadly, I didn't play all 4 years of high school. I made a choice to work multiple jobs over sports. My whole life, I have always worked, even when I was young. So when I turned 16, that's what I went and did. Senior year, I did the co-op program. I like only having 2 classes and then going to work. Plus, I made a lot of friends at UPS. I plan on working at UPS for a while, or at least until I get my graduate from the University of Western Kentucky. I'm going to get my recreation major in 4 years and hopefully become what I've always wanted to be. I'm not the guy to give you a huge lesson from my life, but one thing I will say is if you set your heart and mind on something, you can achieve it. You can't let anyone stop you from achieving your goals. So for my last lecture, I'll leave you with this. Have fun and enjoy life, and always strive to do your best.
To a July